Hi guys, this is Krishna. So you are watching Krishna Global Trends, and today we are going to see the internship program. So given for the graduates, especially the BTech and MTech who done the BTech and MTech, who are pursuing even BTech and MTech. So this is a very good opportunity for them to go for the internship program, especially in the Intel. So inteljobs.com. So here you will find especially for the graduates, especially who done the BTech and MTech, especially in the technical background. So those who are going to finish by 2020 or even by 2021, so they're also eligible to apply for this, and who are already passed out, especially 2019. So those who passed out already, they can apply, especially maybe in BTech or MTech, irrespective of the branches, whether you are maybe electrical or mechanical or computer science or IT or whatever may be the case. Even in the MTech also the same case. And if you completed that course, especially the graduation, so even you are pursuing, so this is the best platform for you to apply for the internship program. Once if you completed this, especially in the Intel company, so you are going to get the good opportunity even to join as an Intel employee, and even if your performance is well on the internship program. So why? Because they are going for it, especially the advanced courses like machine learning, internet of things, and machine learning, even big data and data analysts. Okay, this kind of different kind of advanced platforms, and they are going, and even there will be chances for you to involve you on the live going work. Okay, so that is a chances of getting you the more scope, even to get the good opportunity as a fresher. So even if you get the internship certificate, and if you keep the same certificate in your CV, so there is a good chances for you even to shortlist from the different companies even. So because you've done already the internship program in your school vacation, so that will be very helpful for you even to grow your career, especially to get the, especially in the hunting point of view, so to get the good opportunity in the different kind of MNCs companies. Okay, so this is a good platform and good chances for you. So whenever immediately you can apply, so because the first come first serve type you will get, and if you are shortlisted, definitely you will receive a mail from the Intel group, so that you are going to apply for further process. So this will be the good platform, just you can apply for this. And to keep on apply for this kind of internship programs and to get the different kind of a job opportunity, so please subscribe my channel and activate the notification button also, so that you are going to get the notification whenever I upload the video, so that you are going to apply immediately and without any delay, so you will get the good opportunities and good chances for you. So this is what I'm going to expect. And so if you have any kind of queries, and please don't hesitate to write the comments, so definitely I will reply for that. And so let's watch the video how you are going to apply for this internship program, especially for the Intel company. We will see in detail now. Let's watch it. Yeah, so now we will see the in detail, so how to apply for the Intel internship program. Okay, so for that, just open the Google. So from that Google, just to go for just you can type there jobs.intel.com. so just if you enter, so from that enter you will get the explore job opportunities. Okay, so just click on this, so you will get explore job opportunity page. Okay, so here just you can click, you can type there, that you can say I already typed here student internship. Okay, so once if you done the students internship, just come down. So here you have to select engineering and internship program students. Okay, so if you select those two and if you enter, you will get the student internship. Okay, so this student internship you have to click here, so it will go to this page directly, that is student internship. So yeah, this is the Intel. So student internship, especially you can see here student internship Bangalore, especially in the Karnataka. So you have to relocate to the Bangalore. Okay, so if you want to go for this kind of internship program, especially with the Intel, so this is not like a work from home, or it is not like a offline working style. So you have to directly you have to join with this company location. So you have to go for it Bangalore, especially you have to relocate if you are in any of the other places. And even there is chances for you, even you can go for the Hyderabad also. Two options are there. So first preference will be the Bangalore, and if you want to go for another locations based on your preference, so just you can opt the Hyderabad even. Okay, so this is your job ID, so which is going to be for student internship. Okay, so those who are pursuing the MTech and BTech especially. Okay, so the job description especially, so this job assistance especially for during the break times. Okay, so whenever you are going to get the breaks on your academic point of view, that time you are going to get the opportunity to work with the Intel. So what are the qualifications? As I said before, so this is the MTech and BTech eligibility. So this is the main requirement criteria, especially for the IAGS, that is Intel Architecture Graphics Software. Okay, so this is what they are going to give the internship program, especially to enhance your skills, as well as even to get the chances for you to get the job in the Intel, especially if you perform well in this kind of internship programs. And of course, even if you get the internship program certificate from the Intel, you can keep on your CV. That will be the most that will be helpful for you to shortlist your CV compare with the others. Okay, so the other locations along with the Bangalore, as I said before, so this will be the Hyderabad location you will get. And so if you want to apply for this, okay, so just you have to click here, you have to go for the apply. Okay, so just click on the apply. Yeah, so this is what you are going to get here. So enable this checkbox, then proceed. So you will get this one now. This is where you are going to go for the different details you have to give here. Okay, so first come to point. So you have to give here your name and last name and email address and which country you are belongs to. And so yes, you have to upload your resume here. And so expected graduation, which year you are going to pass out, and even expected graduation, even which year you are going to get, month and year. So current CGPA as of you, if you are in the final semester, so what will be your CGPA? In this you have to enter here, and once if it is done, then you have to agree and you have to proceed with the further process, that is go save and continue. Okay, so once if you click save and continue, you will get the next page. Yeah, once if you click save and next continue, so it will get the next page. Yeah. So here you will get once again the sign in. Okay, so if you have already the username and password with the Intel, just you can enter here, or if you want to create, just you can create here. So because it is completely the Intel account, okay, so just you have to create account here. Just you can click the same username and password here. So then you can just click on the sign in. Then you will get the next page. Yeah, just click on your create account. So don't say yes, no. And yeah, so here you will get next page, that is make completing your job applications easiest to upload your CV. Okay, so here you have to select your CV once again. So you already uploaded already, but you have to once again you have to upload here also. Click next. Okay, so here you are going to get the country, which country you are prefer, I mean where you are from, and so name, you have to fill all the details once again, and the address here, so from where you are applying, and email address, and from which country, and including the phone number. So you have to fill all the details here, and next you have to click the next button. So it will take to the next page. So this here, if you have any kind of work experiences, you can add the work experience. If you have any kind of skills, you can add the skills, especially here. Skills point of view, especially for example, if you know the Python, okay, so just you can type here the Python, or if you know the R software, just you can go for the R to get the free friends. Okay, especially to get the free friends, whatever the skills you are having, just you can add the skills there. And languages, for example, if you know the Spanish, if you know the French, or if you know the Japanese, okay, whatever the language you know, even Hindi, English, like that. Okay, so you have to add the kind of languages which you know already. And if you want to resubmit again your CV, just you can do it here. So once if you're done there, if you have any kind of a portfolio websites, okay, especially in your own websites, so just you can add here the link and URL link here, so that that will add an advantage for you. Even just you can click the next. It will take you to the application questions again here. Okay, you have to choose the correct questions exactly here, and you have to answer all the questions here. Okay, so once if you done all these questions, then you will proceed to the next page again. Okay, so are you current former employee of the this company? No. So most of the things I will make no, because here I don't want to take any kind of the answers. But as you are applying, make sure you have to go for all the answers exactly what you are, as per your preference, as per your requirement and your qualifications, just you have to select. Okay, once if you done that one, go to the next page. So this is what I am selecting. Okay, simply don't choose the same thing. So because for the video shake, just I am making this kind of the setups. Okay, and yeah. Yeah. Okay, just click on the next. Yes. So this is what you are going to get here. So that Intel Communicate directory. So you will find here, so please indicate your gender. So you have to select the gender here. So whether you are going to be the male or female, just you can select as per your requirement. And yeah, so this is what the terms and conditions you have to accept here. Yes, just click on the next. Okay, so once again it is showing your complete details review. So once if you done all this kind of reviews is done, next we will proceed with the further things, that is you can say if all the things what you done is correct, just you can go for this submit. So if you submit, it will go to the Intel team. Okay, so there you are going to get this is you can say congratulations. So to search or more job seekers, just you can click here, so you are going to get the further notifications even. Okay, so this is how to apply for the Intel internship program, especially for the students who are doing MTech and BTech even. Okay, with respect of the different branches, so you can apply directly and you are going to get the good opportunity even with the Intel, so that you are going to get excel your knowledge as well as even you are going to get the good job opportunities. Okay, so this is what the Intel video. So for the next upcoming videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and even so don't wait until the further things. Okay, please apply if you are eligible for this kind of internship program, and because the first come first serve type, even if you apply immediately, so that you are going to get the shortlist, so they will communicate to you directly through mail, and they will go for the further procedure, so that you are going to get the internship program. So working environment, to get the exposure in the working environment with the Intel team, so you are going to be the lucky. So I wish you good luck, and so to get all this kind of notifications, so please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so you will get the feature all videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video, and please share with your friend. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye, take care.